Good evening, guys. Welcome back for another question from matrices, and let us see what do we have today as our question. So we are given two matrices x and x plus y and x minus y, and these two matrices are itself made from the combination of x and y by performing some expressions or the operations on both the matrices x and y. I mean, the first matrix, this matrix is this one. This matrix is made by the help of the operation of addition on two matrices x and y, and this matrix was formed with the help of subtracting these two matrices x and y. So what? We have to find x and y. I hope you all remember how to solve the uh, linear equations in two variable. Two equations in two variable. That's very easy. So we will apply the same thing over the matrices as well. The only thing to remember is that earlier in the linear equations we have a constant on the right hand side. This time we have a matrix. For example, we have a linear equation as ax plus by is equal to c1, and another linear equation is that cx plus dy is equal to c2, and C1 and C2 are constant. Similarly, here we have C1 as one matrix and C2 as second matrix. So whenever you get confused with the term matrices, just consider them as constant and solve them as the linear equations in two variables in algebra. So let us see how do we do this. So they have just informed us with the question. First we are given x plus y and we are given x minus y. So our first step will be we add both the equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. That way we get our x, and when we get our x we can find our y as well. So let us move to the next slide. Yes, they have added both the matrices, and finally they got 2x is equal to something this matrix. Let's simplify the expressions on the LHS and RHS. Simplifying, we get our x as this matrix. Now, since we have got x, we can find y in two ways. We were given x plus y is equal to matrix 1, x minus y is equal to matrix 2. Now, since we have x, we can put x here and find y. Or another thing that we can do, that we can uh, subtract the equation number 2 from equation number 1. So let us see how they have done. Yeah, they have put the value of x in equation 1 and they are trying to find out y. So to find out y, first we have to rearrange the terms. We have to transfer this matrix to RHS. So moving to the next slide. Yes, they have done the same thing. They have transferred this matrix from the LHS to RHS, and finally we get something as this, y is equal to this matrix. Let us simplify the matrix on the right hand side, and our final answer is this thing. So we got our x, we got our y. Now coming to the second part of the question, this time we are given that we have to find x and y with a slightly difficult problem, as we are given 2x plus 3y is equal to this matrix and 3x plus 2y is equal to this matrix. But if you know how to solve two linear equations in two variables, then you can easily solve this question as well. So let us move to the next slide. Okay, so now we have our first matrix as this thing, or we can say our first equation as 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 3 4 0, and our second equation as 3x plus 2y is equal to matrix 2. So what we do, just see the LHS part of both the equations. Just consider this as constant 1 and consider this as constant 2. So how do we solve these equations? What we do, we multiply 3 into the first equation and 2 into the second equation, so that we can eliminate one of the variables. So let us see. They have multiplied equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2, and then they have subtracted 2 from 1. I mean 2 is subtracted from 1. So what? So we now get 3 into 2x plus 3y minus 2 into 3x plus 2y is equal to 3 into something, the first matrix, the first constant, minus 2 into the second matrix or second constant. So what do we get? We get 6x plus 9y minus 6x minus 4y. So 6x and 6x gets cancelled, and finally we have 5y is equal to some matrix, that is m1 minus m2. This will give us another matrix, that is m3. Now moving to the next slide, we get our 5y is equal to this matrix. Now to find the value of y, what we do? We divide our LHS and RHS both sides by 5. So finally we get our y as this. Now how to find the value of x? Since we have found the value of y, we can directly replace y in any of the equations. We can replace y in the first equation or the second equation, and then we can get our x. So they have replaced the value of y in equation 1. Our equation 1 was this. So moving to the next step, they have replaced y here, and then they have multiplied this constant into the matrix y. So we get something as this part. We get 2x plus the matrix 1 is equal to matrix 2. So how do we solve our 2x? We simply transfer matrix 1 to the RHS. We bring all the variable matrices to the one side and all the constant matrices to the other side. So what do we get? We get our 2x here, and on the RHS we have two matrices that are to be subtracted. So their corresponding elements will be subtracted. So our next step is that we get our 2x as this thing. Now how do we get 2? How do we get x? We simply divide both sides, divide LHS and RHS by 2, and we get our x. So this way we get our x as well, we get our y as well. I hope you all got it. Thank you.